All right, let's talk about something that is seriously going to shake up the way you work. It's called GPT 5.3, and it's the newest AI from OpenAI. We're going to skip all the technical jargon. What we're doing here is breaking down what this incredibly powerful new tool actually means for you and your job.
So, to really get what's new here, you've got to understand this one huge shift. For years, we've had AI that just responds. You ask a question, you get an answer. Simple. But GPT 5.3 is totally different. This is AI that genuinely understands. It gets the context, the nuance, and what you're actually trying to say.
So what's a good way to picture this? Well, most of us have played around with ChatGPT, right? Think of GPT 5.3 as that, but completely supercharged. It's the AI you already know, just a whole lot smarter, faster, and way more intuitive.
But okay, smarter is kind of a vague word. What does that actually mean for you? Well, it means it understands context way better, so you're not constantly repeating yourself. It actually remembers what you talked about before, more like a real conversation. It can reason through really complex problems, and honestly, the answers it gives just feel more, well, human.
So you might be wondering, how in the world did OpenAI pull this off? How did they make such a massive leap? Well, it really boils down to 3 core upgrades that are powering this whole new level of intelligence. Let's dive in.
Okay, so here are the big 3. Better thinking, multimodal abilities, and faster processing. Each one of these is a big deal on its own, but when they work together, that's where the magic happens. Let's kick things off with that first one. First up, better thinking. And trust me, this is a huge quality of life upgrade. You know how with older AI, you sometimes had to explain a task 5 different ways for it to finally get it right? Yeah, that's pretty much over. With GPT 5.3, you say it once, and it just gets it. It follows complex instructions with incredible accuracy, which, at work, is an absolute game changer.
Next up is something called multimodal ability. Now, multimodal sounds super technical, right? But all it really means is that it can understand more than just typed words. We're talking about interacting with images, with audio, with documents, even with screenshots from your phone. The AI is no longer just stuck inside a chat box.
And this is where it gets really cool. Just picture it. You have some crazy, complicated chart for work. Instead of trying to describe it with words, you just show it to the AI. You upload the file and simply ask, hey, can you explain this to me? You can show it things now, not just tell it. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's happening right now.
And the third big upgrade is faster processing. Look, the techie stuff on the back end got a huge boost, but what that means for you is simple. Everything is way faster. You get quicker responses, the voice quality is clearer, and there's less of that awkward delay in conversation. It all just adds up to a back and forth that feels so much more natural and real. So, what happens when you combine these 3 massive upgrades? When you put the better thinking, the multimodal abilities, and the faster processing all together? Well, you get something that's so much more than a chatbot. You get a genuinely powerful new AI assistant that can fundamentally change how we all do our jobs.
This is where it really becomes a powerhouse. Just think about all the daily tasks at work, drafting all those emails, creating reports from scratch, summarizing those hour-long meetings that could have been an email, even creating training materials, handling customer support, brainstorming marketing ideas, analyzing data. I mean, the applications for business are pretty much endless.
But here's a really crucial point, because I know what some people might be thinking. The goal here is not to replace people, it's to amplify them. Think of it like having the smartest, most tireless assistant you could ever imagine. You're still the one making the decisions, you're still the one with the vision. The AI is just a tool to help you get there faster.
Here's a perfect real-world example. Imagine you're a manager who has to build a presentation. The old way, you're staring at a blank screen for 2 hours trying to get started. The new way, you give a simple prompt and boom, a solid first draft is ready in seconds. Then you spend your time, maybe 10 minutes, just refining it and adding your unique insights. That's amplification in action.
And at the end of the day, that's what this is all about. This technology gives us back our most valuable, most non-renewable resource, our time. It frees us up from all the tedious stuff so that we can focus on what actually matters, the creative problem solving, the strategy, the human collaboration.
You know, when you take a step back and really look at the big picture, you realize this is about so much more than just one person being more efficient. When an entire organization is amplified like this, you're not just looking at a new tool, you're looking at a full-blown productivity revolution.
So the big question is, who comes out on top in this new landscape? And the answer is actually pretty clear. The companies that adopt these AI tools early on are going to move faster and innovate more. And the employees who learn how to use AI as a partner, well, they're going to become exponentially more valuable.
And make no mistake about it, we are not talking about some distant, far-off future. This shift is happening right now. Today, the smartest professionals and the most forward-thinking businesses are already using these tools to get a serious competitive edge.
So, maybe you're thinking, okay, this all sounds great, but how do I even get started? It's so much simpler than you think, and you absolutely positively do not need to be an expert to begin.
Seriously, just forget the idea that you need to be a programmer or have some special technical background. That's not what this is about.
The only real skill you need to bring to the table is curiosity. That's it. Just a willingness to ask questions, to experiment, to play around and see what this technology can do for you.
Because at its core, this technology has a really optimistic purpose. AI isn't here to replace humanity. It's here to support us, to augment our own abilities, and to help us solve bigger, more interesting problems together.
Which really just leads to one final question. Now that you know what's possible, now that you've seen what's on the table, what are you going to ask it first?